Good morning, students. We did in previous lecture, that will be part one of a private defense. In previous lectures, we have discussed regarding that the introductions of this private defense, that this is one of the most important right which is given to a human being by the states. Because by this right, even you can kill a person. So this was the important right which the state has given, because state cannot provide every person's a guard. That's why this right has been given, and it is based on the principle of dominium, where the head of the family in the Romans law, head of the family can protect his family and his property. So this right is again on the basis of a principle, you can say be replere licet, or which means that you have a that right where you can repel a force by way of force, or this the terms even in the this was made by the Justinian around 600 this BC AD, or then this the word Hobbes has the first time used the word self-defense in England. And similarly, Article 12 we have already discussed of the Universal Declarations of Human Rights, discuss regarding that every person has right to defend his family, his property, his house. So that is even given by the Universal of Declarations. So by considering this, in section we have discussed section 96, where this a general defense is given. Then the 97 section IPC we have discussed, it is given under the uh, body as well as the property. 98 section IPC we have discussed that it is given to the even the person who are cannot commit any crimes. And today we will discuss our section from section 999. So one of the old case, that is Parmasu case 1925, where a person kill his father when his father tried to, by way of with the sharpest weapon, try to cut the throat of his mother. This was the case of a Crown versus Ross, where a person has killed his father. And in the Parmasu case, where a police entered into the house of a person where his wife was only available, and police inspector asked her that you have a stolen property, I want to search your house. She said that my husband is not at the residence. And then one other person who see this incident, when the police inspector tried to use some force against the wife of some persons, and that person who has no sometime related or to that girl, that lady, and he killed that person. So the right of private defense even is given to a person to defend other persons. So but section 99, we will start our part from section 99 up to 98. We have the previous discuss in previous lecture, so you please go through our previous this uh, video on our YouTube channel Jurist Academy. So today we will start our lecture from section 99. Section 99 is related to the where there is a no private defense lie. So section clearly say that there is a no right of a private defense act against the act which does reasonable cause apprehension of death or of a grievous hurt if is done or attempt to be done by a public servant acting in good faith under the color of his office. So when a person is a public servant, he is acting in a good faith under a color of his office. So there will be a no private defense. And this section further also clear if a person on whose behalf, if a person is doing any act, then it is also not lie. If the act is done under the direction of a public servant, so then there is a no private defense. So then you have a no right of prividence against which only against public servants if there is a reasonable cause of a apprehension of a death. जब आपको apprehension कोई death और grievous hurt public servant use करता है, then you have a right. But अगर public servant ऐसी कोई implicate नहीं कर रहा, then you have a no right. So third example in which in section 99 is mentioned, that is if there is a time to recourse to the protection of a public authority. जब आप public authority को approach कर सको, then there is a no private defense. So when this defense, the right of private defense is not case extended to inflicting of more harm than it is necessary. So this is the basic. आप उससे ज्यादा इंजरी, आप उतना ही प्राइवेट डिफेंस यूज करोगे जितनी आपको जरूरत है, ठीक है? उससे अगर ज्यादा आप करोगे तो देन it will be not considered to be a private defense. There are one explanation of this, explanation one of this section 99, which is considered to be exceptions to exceptions. Explanation one say a person is not deprived of the right of a private defense against an act done or attempt to be done by a public servant unless he know or has reason to be believe that the person doing the act is a public servant. So section 99 is based भी यहाँ पे आपको general defense नहीं मिलेगा if a person is a acting public servant. So explanation part 1 is the exception to this rule. भी जो आदमी the man who has used the private defense, उसको पता होना चाहिए भी जो सामने से persons है, he reason to be believe that he is a public servant. कोई ड्रेस में हो, उसने आपको वार्न किया हो, वी आई एम द गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल्स, ठीक है? तो आपको प्राइवेट डिफेंस नहीं मिलेगा. इफ यू हैव रीजन टू बिलीव, आपको नहीं पता भी ही इज ए पब्लिक सर्वेंट, तो आपको ये राइट जो है प्राइवेट डिफेंस का अगेन. दैट्स व्हाई व्हेन वी sometime the police has give a warning by speaker that we have authority, we are doing this, please do not do So this type of that is a this explanations part one is exceptions to exceptions. So similar in the explanation second say a person is not a right of a private defense against the act done or attempt to be done by the direction of a public servant unless he reason to be believe that such person doing an act by such direction. So second जो सेक्शन 1999 के अंदर है, if a person is doing the direction of a some persons. So अगर कोई आदमी कोई डायरेक्शंस के ऊपर काम कर रहा है तो आपको नहीं पता है, you have not reason to believe that he is going the direction of a some, then against the private defense is available to you. So section 99 is stipulated that against which the right of a private defense does not arise. So यहाँ पे सेक्शन 99 के अंदर जहाँ पे प्राइवेट डिफेंस नहीं एप्लीकेबल होता एंड इट लिमिट्स विद द प्राइवेट डिफेंस टू बी एक्सरसाइज. तो एक ये लिमिट मेंशन करती है कहाँ पे, ठीक है. सो द फर्स्ट we will discuss in this, that is a act of a public servant. जहां पे पब्लिक सर्वेंट कोई एक्ट कर रहा हो वेयर आपको कोई उसके हार्म ना हो फॉर रिगार्डिंग डेथ और ग्रीवियस हार्ट, ठीक है. देन यू हैव ए दिस ए प्राइवेट डिफेंस रिगार्डिंग दैट पर्सन. अगर आप वो रिगार्डिंग डेथ और ग्रीवियस हर्ट का ही आपको प्राइवेट डिफेंस है, अगर कोई पर्सन इज एक्टिंग एज ए पब्लिक सर्वेंट देन आपको वो जो है प्राइवेट डिफेंस नहीं मिलता. सो वन इज द केस that is conversing versus Delhi administrations, and the citation is 65 Supreme Court page 871. That is conversing versus Delhi administration. In this case, it is said by the Supreme Court that if the government servant is doing an act in a good faith under the color of his office, the word sometime we said the discharge of his official's duty. If the act is such cause a reasonable apprehension that it will result to the death or grievous hurt of a parties, then the parties are entitled to exercise their right of a private defense against the public servant. सो जब किसी भी को ये लगता है भी मेरी जो डेथ हो सकती है जब मुझे कोई ग्रीवियस हार्ट जो पब्लिक सर्वेंट कर सकता है, ठीक है, देन यू हैव ए दिस राइट ऑफ ए प्राइवेट डिफेंस. अगर आपको ये नहीं लगता भी उसने डेथ या ग्रीवियस हार्ट कोई यूज होगी, देन यू हैव नो राइट ऑफ प्राइवेट डिफेंस. सो सेकंड is under section 99 is related to the if you have a time to have resources the authority. अगर आपके पास वो टाइम है भी आप you can call the authority, you can contact the authority. आपको पता है भी after 2-3 days this mob will come and attack on. You have a right to inform the police, ठीक है, आपको पुलिस प्रोटेक्शन मिल जाएगा. सो यू नो दैट दिस जो राइट है प्राइवेट डिफेंस is only to repel the imminent dangers. This is the basic rule of private defense. So अगर आपके पास टाइम है to recourse to the authorities, then ये जो आपका आपको इस चीज का बेनिफिट्स प्राइवेट डिफेंस का नहीं मिलेगा. So similarly, suppose sometime I'm putting the example to you. अगर आपका घर, suppose your house is very near to police stations, which is not far away, तो क्या आपको right of private defense मिलेगा? So this question was discussed in case State of Uttar Pradesh versus Harpal Singh, 2000, Allahabad Law Journal, page 1224. In this case, the Allahabad High Court said the mere fact that the police station is not very far away from the place of the incident cannot deprive a person of his right of a private defense. तो आपका जो प्राइवेट डिफेंस है, जो राइट है, वो ये प्रूव करता है भी कितनी इमरजेंसी है आपके लिए। ठीक है, तो अगर चाहे इवन इफ इट इज 100 मीटर अवे, इफ योर हाउस वाज अटैक्ड बाय द मॉब, देयर इज नो पुलिस, इवन दे आर विद डेडली वेपन्स, तो आप जो अपना प्राइवेट डिफेंस हो, इफ यू थिंक दैट इट्स योर डेंजर इन योर लाइफ, यू कैन यूज दैट। So third point is in section 99, where this right does not extend causing more harm than necessary. तो आपने उतना ही जो है यूज करना है जितना इज इट ए नेसेसरी। और मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल बताता हूं भी कितना हार्म, कैसे हार्म। सपोज योर हाउस इज अटैक्ड बाय द मॉब। ठीक है, तो जब मॉब ने अटैक कर दिया आपके हाउस के ऊपर, और यू आर इन द हाउस एंड आउटसाइड द हाउस देयर इज a wall of you, and outside the house there were a number of persons there. और कब स्टार्ट होगा, एंड आई एम डिस्कसिंग इन दिस एग्जांपल, और कब ये खत्म हो जाएगा। सो जो मॉब है, दे आर विद द वेपन्स, क्योंकि आपका जो एप्रीहेंशन है, रीजनेबल एप्रीहेंशन जो है, आपको उनके वेपन से ही पता लगेगा। इफ द मॉब इज फायरिंग आउटसाइड, ठीक है, दे हैव स्वर्ड्स विद देम। अगर आपकी वॉल है, वॉल से वो बाहर, दे आर यूजिंग सम स्लोगन्स एंड अदर्स, so at this time the private defense has not started. When any person with a sword scale the wall or enter your house with weapon or with a pistol, he fire on you, yeah, he has a sword with you, he entered in your house, your right of private defense start. Agar suppose three person has entered in your house, your right of private defense start. So suppose you have fired one of them, आपने एक को गोली मार दी, वो गिर गया, और दूसरे पर्सन्स अगेन वापस वो दीवार बाहर जा रहे हैं। Since they are going outside your wall, so the private of defense यहाँ पे since, तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं भी आपने तीनों को ही मारना है। ठीक है, इसी तरीके से जो मॉब या कहीं बाहर भी अगर some persons are running away, they are just when you have fired, वो भाग रहे हैं, तो ऐसा नहीं भी आप सभी को मार दो। आपने तो एक इमिनेंट डेंजर्स जो है वो करना है। So regarding this, one of the cases, Mahinder Paljoli versus State of Punjab. It's AIR 79, Supreme Court page 577. In this case, there was a dispute between the workers and the management of over the demand of wages. The workers then threw brickbats at the factories, and the owner of the factory came out and fired with a revolver, killing one worker. The Supreme Court held that an owner exceeds his right of self-defense is killing one of the workers. क्योंकि उसको सबसे पहले, अगर वो चाहे ना, उसको लगता था सबसे पहले ही शुड बी फायर इन द एयर्स, अगर वो बच जाते, अगर वो भाग जाते, ठीक है। So if you come with the fire, if they are some throwing some stones and you are firing on them, so it is not a sometime justified. So in other case, Baljit Singh versus state of Uttar Pradesh, that is, the citation is AIR 1976, page 2273. In this case, the accused party was in possession of some disputed land. The complainant party trespass trespassed into the land armed with lathis. ठीक है, जो कंप्लेनेंट के पास सिर्फ स्टिक्स थी, लाठीज थी. The accused party tried to protect the possessions, the land from the trespassers, and which resulted the accused assaulted the deceased, and it caused 72 injuries, which was the result of the death of a deceased. The court held that accused has right to exceed the private defense, because if considering the injury, which are the 72s, and they are with the lathis, so considering all this, it is the accused party has exceeded the private defense. And one other case, Omkarnath Singh versus State of Uttar Pradesh, the citation is AIR 1974, Supreme Court, page 1550. In this case, there was, जो accused है और उनकी आपस में लड़ाई होगी. आफ्टर द सम टाइम द कंप्लेनेंट पार्टी, जो कंप्लेनेंट पार्टी है वो दौड़ना स्टार्ट होगी. होवेवर द accused पार्टी चेस, जो accused पार्टी उसके पीछे भाग रही है, वो तो भाग रहे हैं, एंड मेड ए मर्डरस असॉल्ट, तो उनके भागते हुए उनके ऊपर अटैक कर दिया. सुप्रीम कोर्ट हेल्ड देयर वाज टू इंसिडेंट. पहला इंसिडेंट जब वो आपस में उनकी फाइट हुई, एंड सेकेंड इंसिडेंट व्हेन जो कंप्लेनेंट पार्टी भाग रही थी और अक्यूज्ड उनके पीछे भाग रहे थे. और सिंस जो एप्रीहेंशन थी, रीजनेबल एप्रीहेंशन, वो उस समय खत्म हो गई जब वो भाग रहे थे. सो अक्यूज्ड committed some attempt, some give injuries to the deceased when they are running. So then there is a no private defense in this case. Or in some other case, that is state of Assam versus Abhinav Datta. In that case, the question is whether the right of private defense exercised by an accused is excess of his right, and whether the accused has caused more harm than necessary. ये जो चीजें हैं, court in this case said it is a question of a facts and decided upon the circumstances of each case. हर केस के अंदर अपने फैक्ट्स होंगे कि whether it's a private defense, whether it's a exceed, whether they are running, whether it is a apprehensions. So it's dependent upon facts to facts. In general view that private जो defense होता है never be indictive or malicious. So it does not give a right to a person to chase, to kill the assailant who is running away from the scene. So उसके लिए उसका जो different जो है वो करेगा. Then क्वेश्चन इज, जो प्राइवेट डिफेंस है दैट इज रिलेटेड टू द पर्सन और द प्रॉपर्टी, और जो डेंजर्स है वो दैट शुड बी, यू कैन से, कंटिन्यू। अगर डेंजर्स कंटिन्यू रहता है तो उसका प्राइवेट डिफेंस भी कंटिन्यू रहेगा। इफ जो डेंजर्स खत्म हो जाएगा, इमिनेंट डेंजर्स, देन द प्राइवेट डिफेंस भी खत्म हो जाएगा। So this was is related to section 99, where the private of defense is not applicable to man, to a persons. So you know that we have discussed section 96, which is related to nothing as an offense which is done in the exercise of a private defense, and section 97 is related to this property, and section 99 is make some this restrictions, and it also extend to the other persons. So now we will discuss regarding section 100, which is the most important sections, that is related to a where जो right of private defense है वो डेथ तक भी जा सकता है, up to death. So पहले we will मैं आपको एक बारी sections जो है दिखा देता हूँ। सेक्शन वी विल गो थ्रू द सेक्शंस। तो सेक्शन 100 के अंदर आपने पॉइंट्स याद करने हैं, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट भी कौन से 6 पॉइंट्स हैं यहाँ पे राइट ऑफ प्राइवेट डिफेंस एक्सटेंड हो जाता है अप टू डेथ। सो दैट इज नंबर 1 इज रिलेटेड टू द डेथ और ग्रीवियस हार्ट। यही पॉइंट 6 आपने सेक्शन 100 इज नथिंग, जहां पे आपका राइट ऑफ प्राइवेट डिफेंस is go exceed to the extend to the causing death. So this is the most important section, most important right given to a human being, where जहां पे आपका जो right है वो up to जो death तक भी चला जाता है, ठीक है, where you can cause death, extend to cause death. So my basic अब it's not a bare, the bare language of that section is simple. You have to remember this. Even there was no need to go through the sections. जो पहला है that is where a first is apprehension of a death or grievous harm. Remember that, death or grievous harm. First is death, second grievous heart, third is rape, fourth is gratifying the unnatural lust. Sometimes rape or this gratifying the unnatural lust, if a person is a minor, अगर उसने consent भी दे दी है, his father has a right to protect his minor girls or boy, even to extend the cause of death of that person. Fifthly is relating to the kidnapping or abducting, and the last one is wrongful confinement. So these are the 6 basic principle as per section 100, where a person has right to defend of a person even up to death. So please go through the this language. Yeah. So section 100 say the right of the private defense of the body extend to causing death. The right of private defense of body extend under the restrictions mentioned in the last preceding section that we have discussed section 99 to the voluntary causing of a death of any other harm to the assailant if the offense which occasion the exercise of the right be any of the descriptions hereafter enumerated, namely. So the first in which reasonably cause apprehension that death will be. So this was the one. Such an assault may reasonable cause the apprehension that grievous hurt. This is second one. With the intention to committing rape. मैंने आपको बताया भी अगर the girl is the minor, the father has a right, even the girl has given a consent. And fourthly, the gratifying unnatural lust, intention of kidnapping and abducting. And sixthly, it's a wrongful confinement. तो आपको प्रीलिम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू पे ये आपको याद करना है क्योंकि आपको ये जो है द नेक्स्ट इज अंडर द सर्कमस्टांसेस he will be unable to have recourse to the public authority. So ये जो exceptions है वो public authority को ठीक है नहीं कर सकता. So the right of private defense extend to certain situations to the extent even the causing death of the aggressor. The recognize, so this is the section 100 के अंदर आपको ये जो इसका मिला हुआ है, ठीक है. So yes, in this sections when we discuss regarding section 100, yes. So ये जो 6 cases हैं, in this 6 categories, this type A normally number 1 is death, number 2 is grievous hurt, number 3 rape, number 4 is related to the gratifying of unnatural lust or kidnapping and abductions or wrongfully confined. तो इन केसेस के अंदर आपको जो है दिस डिफेंस जो अवेलेबल होता है आदमी इवन इट कैन गो अप टू द डेथ ऑफ ए पर्सन एंड इन फर्दर we discuss that in which cases I'm write down the case which is related to the where this can be one of the cases that Muhammad Yusuf versus state of Muhammad Yusuf versus state of Uttar Pradesh AIR 94 Supreme Court page 1542. In this case जो दो constables थे, two constables part of a anti-Ducati squad and had argument and raised their rifles. जो other member of the squad rushed to intervene और एक constables ने अपनी जो राइफल है वो नीचे कर ली. But the accused fired 3 shots. तो उसने 3 फायर कर दिए. So the court rejected the plea of defense because in this case जो रीजनेबल एप्रीहेंशन था उसको जब उसने अपनी पिस्टल ही वो बंदूक नीचे कर ली then there is no apprehension. So इसके अंदर सबसे पहले जो दिस आपको एक रीजनेबल एप्रीहेंशन ऑफ डेथ और ग्रीवियस हर्ट का होना चाहिए. If you have a reasonable apprehension of a death and grievous hurt, then you can only entitle for the this defense even up to death. So accused जो है must be under bona fide, उसके अंदर एक bona fide fear होना चाहिए regarding death और grievous hurt. So write down one of the important case. ये private defense का एक important case है. So you remember this case, that is Amjad Khan versus State. AIR 9052, Supreme Court, page 165. In this case, a communal riot took out between the Sindh refugee and the local Muslims. Several Muslim shops been broken and looted and many killed. बेटा जो राइट्स होते हैं इट इज ऑलवेज कंडेमेबल. 47 के में हुए, 84 में हुए. जो आदमी है कहते वो शैतान बन जाता है, इतना गिर जाता है अभी आप सोच नहीं सकते. आई एम गिविंग सम एग्जांपल्स. मैंने एक वीडियो देखी थी, कोई पाकिस्तान यहाँ माइग्रेट होके गया था इंडिया से, तो उसने कहा भी उस समय में आई वॉज ए चाइल्ड 7 to 8 years. I have to I have seen two type of people when they are going toward Pakistan. कहते एक फॉर्म वो था, पानी चल रहा था उस समय, बाय द यूजिंग द वेल वो पानी निकालते थे उसमें से. पानी जो वो था वो पानी उसमें साथ साथ चल रहा था. कहता हमें था भी हम वहां पे जाके वी विल ड्रिंक द वाटर. मैं आपको एक कितना गिर सकता है इंसान उसकी एक वो सोच बताता हूँ. तो वन पर्सन वो कहते हम वहां से पानी पिएंगे, वो चल रहा है, हल्ट चल रहा था. तो बट कहता दे सीन सम सिख, दे पुट जो कौ डंग है उन्होंने उसको उसमें फेंक दिया, जो पानी का, जिसको वी यूज द वर्ड खाल. So when we reached near, we could not drink the water because there was a mix a cow dung in water. So आप देख लो भी वो पानी तक नहीं पीने दिया. और कहता कुछ लोग सम देयर वाज अ वेरी गुड पर्सन, कहता कुछ हम आगे आए, एक लेडी बैठी थी, शी इज गिविंग ए जो वो शी इज गिविंग सम चपाती एंड दिस जैगरी जो गुड़ होता है वो मुझे वो लोगों को जाते हुए एक एक दो दो रोटी वो गुड़ दे देते. सो इस दुनिया में आपको हर तरीके से आदमी मिल जाएंगे, अच्छे भी वो भी, ठीक है, बट यू डिड योर ओन ड्यूटी. सो दैट्स व्हाई दिस अमजद खान केस, इस केस के अंदर जो अक्यूज था, देयर वाज ए राइट्स, द मूव हैड ब्रोकन इनटू अनदर पार्ट ऑफ द हाउसेस वेयर द अक्यूज लिव एंड लूटेड, जो जहां पे उन लोगों ने वो लूट लिया. And the women of children and family flew to the accused for protection, उसके पास आए. And now the mob actually beating, जो mob थी वहां पे भी वो आ गई. And उसका जो दरवाजा था, डोर था, उसको लाठी से वो करने लगी. Under these circumstances, Supreme Court held that it was not necessary for the accused to wait and see if the mob actually would or not destroy and lose his shop and kill his family. If by this threat he used the force, and accused has a right to private defense and was justifying in firing in which two shots which resulted on the death of one person. So he was a justify for this. So similarly regarding, we will discuss the case of a when the rape or unnatural offense In one of the important cases, Jashwant Rao versus State of Madhya Pradesh, that is AIR 1992 Supreme Court 1683, when where accused who is a father, he's seeing that outside his house, a one person is committing a rape with his minor girls. Even the girl has consented who was a minor. So father fired on that person and he was died. So this Supreme Court said that person is justified exercising his private of defense, and he was acquitted. So similarly again regarding assault and intention, kidnapping or abducting, sorry, regarding abducting and kidnapping, a person has a right when a person is kidnapping or abducting. So one of the case is Bishwanath versus State of Uttar Pradesh, where the girl come to his parents and his husband taking forcibly to that his wife forcibly. She was said that she is not going. His brother has seen this incident. He bit by the knife. He murdered his own brother-in-law. The court said that by forcefully, although the other parties argue that he's her husband, he has every right, but the court said he cannot forcefully kidnapping or abducting, and this person has a right to self-defense. And regarding wrong, so when we will discuss this part, we this should be a under these six categories, and next is related to the wrongful confinement. So if a person is wrongly confined, though then even the person can use this right of private defense even up to this. So next sections, which is related to the 101, we will discuss in part 3 of our private defense. So we have already, this will be our second lecture on the private defense, because we will give it in details so that you can understand this. Okay? Okay, beta. Thank you.